Hello friends, my name is Amresh Kumar, founder and CEO The Prayas India. Here I am going to talk about UPSC Civil Services Target Batch. This course we have launched for targeting 2022 examination. So it is designed in a well mannered so that we can complete the syllabus timely, okay, and at the same time we can do a lot of practices on questions followed by test series, okay. I would like to tell you some more detail of this course. The course that we have designed here, basically the methodology of teaching that we are following in the Prayas India, it is first of all, the topic that what we study, we need to study these topics according to the previous year's questions weightage. What I mean to say, suppose if a particular topic consists of good number of questions asked in previous years, so we have to give more time in that particular topic because UPSC, of course nobody can predict UPSC paper, but there are a lot of topics they are having completely good weightage in previous years, and of course they are going to have some questions in coming years as well. So we have to give more time there, okay. So whatever we study, okay, so that study should get done with respect to previous years papers, okay. So that we can understand whether we can going we are going correctly or we are not going correctly, okay. Now if we have studied, okay, we need to practice the questions as well, okay. So practice questions means previous questions as well as sample questions, okay. So of course here two aspects are there. One is practicing on mains answer writing, and one is like prelims questions that is objective in nature. So I would say a lot of institutions are there, like they do teach, they go practicing on prelims questions, but they do not target on mains answer writing. But in the Prayas, we go for the daily mains answer writing practices. So once you have learned the topic, you are practicing, then you need to give the test on that particular topic, and we ensure that there must be test on every topic, okay. And we have given the complete online portal as well, where a person can give a lot of tests, and the offline tests are there as well, okay. So you need to plan it like this way, okay. And how you are completing the syllabus, okay, you have to plan it, okay. So what the Prayas research and development team do, they plan it in a perfect manner, you are starting the batch from this month, and you're going to complete say it like after 8 or 10 months. Then how you're going to give the tests and all, okay, a test series I mean, okay. So these all things are taken care by the Prayas team, okay. So here we are launching batches for 2022 target batches. So I would say you do visit to the website, okay, the link is there only, okay, and you check what we are going to provide you. And if I talk about the study material, it plays a very important role, okay. So here we provide the Prayas study material, like I'm going to show you. If you can see, like suppose this is UPSC Civil Service history, ancient, modern history, or science and technology. So we provide study materials for all the particular subjects, okay. And at the same time, guys, that standard books play very important role while preparing for this UPSC Civil Services examination. So of course we follow standard books also. Just I'm going to show you. Say it this is India and World Geography, Majid Hussain, suppose Indian Economy, Nitin Singhania. So whatever the standard books are there, like Lakshmikant Sir's book or like Vipin Chandra's book, so we are going to give it to you, okay. So other than that, NCERT books are also there, okay. So we provide NCERT books also, okay. So I would say you visit to our website, okay. You have discussion with our counselors. They will be giving more details about the courses. And then you if you think okay, we are providing all the things, so you can join Prayas and start your preparation, okay. So thank you very much for listening to me, okay, and wish you all the best for your exam preparation.